Welcome to Technoformers. We're going to start off where we left off in part 1. We're going to make this red go to center. So we want to wrap the content for the red title. Okay, save. And now we want to create the blue screen. So we create another XML file and the layout. We can just name that blue.xml. Click finish. Little XML. And it's basically going to be the same exact thing from the main. So you can just copy and paste, save yourself some time. We want to fill the parent right here, and we want to change this to blue background and this to blue title, so the blue shows up as the page, and then we have the red title, which the button is going to be red this time. So you want that to come up. Save that. And now we're getting into the good stuff, the actual Java. So these are where your buttons are generated at, your r.java folder. You don't have to do anything to this folder. And basically it's just where everything is made up at. You see the blue buttons, IDs are generated, and everything you see up here, auto-generated file, do not modify. So you don't have to mess with that folder. I was just showing you for reference where everything is modified at. So now we want to come up with our new class. We're going to name this class simply blue. We're going to name it blue. That should be fine. And first we want to, this is our main class, the flash activity.java. And extends activity. You want to make sure all your classes extend the activity. And you see is automatically generated. The public will create, and the set content view is the main, which that means the red page. So now you want to set some a button for the blue button, and we're gonna put a button right here, and find by ID. We want to capitalize the B too. B by ID, R dot ID dot what is this? Blue button colon. And we want to import the button. We've got to import the button. And then we're going to set our action listener. So blue button dot set, and click listener. And this is going to be new view dot what is it? We'll click listener. Click listener. And that's automatically generated right there. Just put the view on click listener, automatically generates the view. So you want to set this view to view V or whatever you want to make it. And the Android Java runs on intent, so we want to make a new intent for where we want to make our button go to, or the next screen we want to make another button go to. And I'm gonna call it intent blue equals new intent, and put a flashlight. This, we're gonna put the class that we're in, flashlight activity dot this to blue dot class. I'm gonna put that, and after every intent, you have to start it, or it will not show up. You have to remember that, because you're gonna start the activity and then put the blue from what you named it right here, and you have to import an intent. Import intent. Alright, that should be fine. And this is basically the flashlight activity. Then we want to do the same exact thing for the blue activity, and this one extends activity. And you have to import activity. And basically you can copy and paste it, really. And you will have everything you need. Just change up a couple things. And do all that. And we'll change, you see that we have the same created, but the r.layout is blue, because that's our layout. And we want to view the ID red button, and button, call it the red button since we're on the blue, and that will be red button. And click the change this, because we're not in the flashlight, we're in the blue dot this, and then we're gonna make this go back to the flashlight activity, and start, and this red intent, call that red. I think we have an extra, and we're good to go. And that's basically the app, but do not forget, you have to change your manifest. This is very important. You will forget this, but hopefully you will never forget this. But right here under activity, you want to write a new activity, Android name equals period before the class, and write the class here. And then we're going to name this Android label, and we're just going to name it simply the string app name, and we're going to close it. And it's the same thing for here, except we're going to put blue right here. And we're just going to save these, and we should be ready to, the app should be ready to run. And you see we have it up running, and you click blue, and it turns to blue. Click red, it goes back to red, and that's a simple Android application. I'm going to, if you have any questions, just feel free to comment, and if you need some more of the code, feel free to comment. Check out my blog, or subscribe to Technoformers. My blog is technoformers.com, and thank you, and have a nice day.